Hi guys, I am here in Hakone Ropeway, Owakudani. Look, and at my backside, those are fumes coming from, from the sulfur of this area. This area, before it called as a Devil's Mountain because of the sulfur coming from that area, guys. Yeah, you can take a ropeway from Hakone Lake and coming here to Owakudani, or vice versa. You can do that as well. The ticket of the ropeway for adult, it costs about 1,500 yen, and for kids it's about 500 yen, guys. So if you happen to visit the Hakone area, don't forget to try the ropeway, guys. It's really amazing to see the beautiful scenery of Hakone area. Let's go. This is the top area of Hakone, or Owakudani. So you can see the ropeway over there. So the scenery is really, really amazing to look at, guys. Look. Hi. Hi, say hi. We are here in Owakudani, the black egg regulation.
Halo-halo na rin naman po kasi pasaway ngayon.
Pilipino di pasaway, di ba?
Okay pa po yung
Pero yung Pilipino, pagpunta sa ibang bansa, disiplinado.
Yes, they abide the rules. They abide the rules, yeah.
Nagbabasa
Lamesa nyo. Kasi mahihiya ka, di ba? Sila pag magaliligi sila nung lamesa.
Oo.
Nagbabasa po talaga yung mga Pinoy. Eh sila, Amerikano, hindi po.
They don't mind it as long as they can take good pictures. It's fine for them.
Eh nung naging problema po nung sobrang gaganda ng spot.
Oo,
Ay,
ganda ng
sarado.
spot doon.
Dahil
Sarado
sa
na.
hindi sila nasunod sa road. Noong una po, tuwa yung mga, siyempre tuwa.
I know, it's not okay. Matutubig na yung pants mo. Sit properly. It's okay. Hindi ka na sa I was wrong.
Hindi naman ako kompleto kung tatlong lagi
palit
Putol lang,
na.
walang palit eh. Putol lang na putol.
Kaya kalbo yung ano natin, mountains eh. Ay, Mount Fuji.
Sarap yan.
Hindi pwede si pasok na din. Nakarating naman na siya. Silang dalawa.
Babalik pa nga siya sa December.
At dito pa, iisip na yung pagbalik. Hindi pa nakakauwi yan.
Isip na yung pagbalik, no?
Iisip na yung pagbalik.
Ayan, perfect cone din siya, no? Parang Mayon Volcano. Wow, it's a perfect, majestic Mount Fuji.
Not enter kasi nga naman, may nakita ko nagpa-picture dyan. Hindi, nagpa-picture siya sa gitna.
Bawal po yun.
Pero naman dyan mami, doon o. Pwede doon.
Yan pwede dito dumaan. We're here at Kawaguchika Lake.